Good afternoon to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video, the series where I unbox my various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Undercover by Takahashi Spring Summer 2021 roses and barbed wire knit sweater that I picked up from FRWD. Hey guys, I didn't ask for 2 unboxing videos today, but yeah, the shipping just landed at the same time. So I was like, well, not at the same time actually. So what happened was the ring arrived, the Chrome Hearts ring that I just unboxed. And then as I was editing this video and uploading it, this arrived. So I was like, well, of course. So now I'm gonna do 2 different videos for it, but I mean, that's not a huge drama for it. But yes guys, I've picked up this little undercover knit sweater from their Spring Summer 2021 collection, which has been called the 2020 collection. So nice and easy to remember. The Spring Summer 2021 collection is called the 2020 collection. Either way, this collection, I thought there was some nice pieces. There wasn't any pieces in this season that I thought, wow, I need those. Those, like, I have to have those. Those are insane. Wow. There are a couple pieces that I wanted, and I only wanted them if they came along for a good price. And, well, this is exactly what this knit sweater is. It's just one of the pieces from the season that I wanted, but only wanted if it came across in a good price. And I stumbled across FRWD, a little boutique that sells undercover, and I found this sweater. It was already on sale for like something like 70% off, but then it went to 80% off, and there was a size 5, and I was like, I like it at that price. Let's buy the size 5 at that price. I'll link it down in the description section below. There's still a 4, 3, and I think a 2 if you guys want to buy those sizes, so you're welcome to go pick those up. But yeah, I think the reason it sat around for a while was just because, yeah, everyone feels the same way about that season. Maybe there's some more hardcore fans to do with Undercover's Spring Summer 2021 season, but I wasn't particularly blown away by it. As you know, I was way more interested in the Fall Winter 2021 collection, because I've got like so many pieces from that season. But yeah, this is my first piece from the Spring Summer 2021 season. So yeah, happy to say I've got something from both of the seasons of that year. So yeah, let's get into it guys. I won't need scissors for this one because it's got one of those, you know, or whatever those are, easy openings. Let's get into it and unbox this piece. Well, at least I hope I don't need scissors. It'd be kind of embarrassing if I said, I don't need scissors, and then I need to go get some scissors. But yeah, no, there's a couple other pieces from this season I wouldn't mind picking up as well, guys. The like Hawaiian shirts that are also knits at the bottom are really cool. I really like some of the jackets, some of the denim from that season as well. It's just, it all sold out because it's, you know, it's undercover, but like I've seen a couple of them appear in my size every now and then, but not for like a really good price that I'd be like, yeah, I wouldn't pick, I'd pay for that, because the price that they're asking for those pieces that season are basically the same price for pieces that I want from other seasons, and I want the pieces from other seasons more than I want these pieces from the Spring Summer 2021 season, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. But we'll get into this box now. So it folds open. Look at that. Forward. Push that wardrobe forward. What does it say? What do we got here? Just an order confirmation saying, yep, it's called the Undercover Sweater in Grey, size 5. Bada bing. Yeah, well, obviously I had to buy a size 5. I couldn't compromise on the size for this one, guys, because their knits have quite a small shoulder width. Even at a size 5, it's only 49 centimeters or something like that in the shoulder width. So I had to get a size 5. I like the smallest shoulder width I have in a piece, I think is like a 48 or something, and it's like quite, you know, tight around the shoulders there. As we can see, got FRWD.com in there. We'll pull this bad boy out of the box. Tuck the box over here. Let's undo this sweater. Or undo this wrapping so I can see the sweater. So, here we are. A moment of truth. I'll place the knit down there. I'll chuck all the extra wrapping over there. So here we go. I gotta say, on first glance, I'm quite happy with the color. I was a bit worried because in some of the photos, they show it as a really, really light gray. And I was like, I kind of hope that this sweater is like a dark gray. And then for the lookbook, I think they did it in like CGI or something because all the models look like they're CGI'd. I think that's the case maybe because of the pandemic. They couldn't do an actual photo shoot for it, so they used like CG or something. Yeah, either way, I was like, I can't get a good idea. Is it going to be a super dark sweater or a super light sweater? There's the answer. It's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to come out as quite light. So, oh, attention. So I should probably pay attention to that. This is, the napped parts get entangled easily from the fluff balls. Please take care with handling. Be careful, this item may fray. Do not tumble dry. Keep this tag to take care of this item. I'll look after it without the tag, it's alright. Okay, so there we go. That's all the item codes and stuff for the piece there. I'll try and bring that closer to the screen. So we're unboxing the UC1A4912-3 sweater. It's in grey and the size is 5. It is 100% wool, which, so soft. It feels incredibly, incredibly soft. We do have a little tag. Oh no, I am gonna need scissors because there's tags. Wait, no, I might be saved. Yes, there's a pin, thank God. I was gonna say, damn, we're gonna have to go all the way out to the kitchen real quick and go get some scissors, but no, there is a pin, thankfully, so I can undo the pin and go from there. Okay. So as always, on brand new undercover pieces, it has a little bag. Well, I shouldn't say a little bag, but I guess a little taste tester of what the material is going to be like. Oh. Well, okay, normally they have a square of the material, but I suppose you can't have a square of wool, can you? This ain't Minecraft or anything like that. You can't have a block of wool, but there you go. You get a little, I don't know, a little taste tester of what the wool's going to feel like. Don't know what I was expecting there. Yeah, I was so ready for like a square of wool, and I was like, wait a minute. You can't have a square of wool. It's just, you know, yarn. Anyway, there we go. Let's unravel it. So, the detailing. What it's got on the chest area is a bunch of barbed wire with a bunch of roses going through the top of it, and then simply just some matching color horizontal lines there that match the same color scheme. It's the same thing on the back. Nothing too crazy going on with the detail. Whoa. With the back there, it's the same as the front. Yeah, well, as you can see, it's not a super elongated one. It's actually, I wouldn't say a boxy fit, but it's not super long like a lot of knits are, which I like. It's going to look a little bit more stylish because it's not so long. But yeah, now that I've unboxed it to you guys and I've showcased it to you, I mean, I guess I can showcase to you the tags before we try it on, just so you guys know. So, as always, bottom left-hand corner, bada bing, there we go. 100% wool. Let's see if it focuses on that. There we go. Size 5, made in China, 100% wool. I've noticed a lot of the knits are made in China. Most of their, obviously, as you know, most of their pieces are made in Japan, but some of their knits are made in China. But there we go. Okay, well, I've showcased everything to do with the piece. Now I'm going to showcase to you guys how it looks on body. Let's chuck this spring-summer 2021 knit on and see how it looks. Here is the piece showcased on body. Yeah, wow. This material is super, super lightweight. Like a very, very thin wool. Nothing, nowhere near as thick as the fall-winter 2021 season. It's a lot thinner. I mean, that works because it's a spring-summer season. You don't want to release like really, really thick wool pieces for the spring-summer season, right? Like that just doesn't make any sense. But this feels really, really breathable, and the shoulders, perfect. What I really like about it as well, I don't know if I can showcase that detailing to you, but as you can see, the seam is like inverted. It's yeah, it's I don't even know how to describe it. It's like someone didn't perfectly sew the seams together and they've like bunched them up. It kind of looks like June's influenced by Margiela, right? And Margiela did that all the time back in the day. I don't know if they still do today. I'm not paying a lot of attention to Margiela. I probably should be, but yeah. And I noticed that there are a lot of pieces from this season that do the same thing. I think the Psych World knit sweater does the exact same thing. It has the seams exposed and they're not like stitched inwards, they're stitched outwards. But yeah, I mean, it's a cool little detail to add to the piece because look, it's along the shoulder and everything. Like that's, yeah, it's just a nice little detail. I think it's done along the side as well. See how we can see it along here? What a funky little detail. There you go. That's how you know it's from the Spring/Summer 2021 season. You got the seams exposed. That's a cool little detail. Yeah. I love the colors. I'm really glad it's not as light as some of the photos made it out to seem. It's actually a lot darker than what I thought it was. And it's got like a bluish tint to it, doesn't it? It's not like completely gray. It's got a little bit of blue to it. But yeah, I'm really keen to wear this over the top of like an Oxford shirt, having the collar sticking out. Really keen to just wear it as like a lightweight knit because it is like, even though it's 100% wool, it's super lightweight. Super lightweight. Doesn't feel super heavy. Just, yeah, all round an awesome little piece. As I said, I was only interested in it because it was super discounted on Forward, and I was just like, you know what? This is a cool little piece from the Spring/Summer 2021 season. Why not just pick it up? Size 5, it's there, it's available. Why not? Yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on it though, guys. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Are you not a fan of the Spring/Summer 2021 season? Or what's it called? The 2020 season? As it's nicknamed. But yeah, let me know all your thoughts and opinions on the Spring/Summer 2021. I mean, I'm calling it the Roses and Barbed Wire knit sweater because that's exactly what's on it. Very common motifs for Undercover to use on a lot of their pieces. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions on this sweater down in the comment section below. But yeah, this is the piece. This is it, guys. I like the fit. The fit's really nice. It was a wise move for me to just stay with a size 5. Definitely can't risk going to a 4 unless, of course, like the knit that that Undercover releases, if it was oversized and I looked at the measurements, then I'd be like, okay, I could go down below a 5. But I think I just need to stick with a 5 just because my size. But yeah, happy with this one. I reckon I'll pick up more from the Spring/Summer 2021 season. Again, if it's at a really good price. Like I'm talking like 80% off the retail or something like that. Like it wasn't the most amazing season. There are a couple pieces that I'm like, yeah, that's kind of cool. Kind of cool if it's 80% off. But if it was full price, I'd be like, nah, I'm looking at other seasons with other pieces that I want more. I'd rather pay higher prices for pieces that I'm like very much after versus full price items from the Spring/Summer 2021 season. That's what I was trying to get across before, if it didn't come across before. But yeah, as I said, if something else comes along from the season that I wanted for a good price, I'll pick it up. I mentioned it before, I'm interested in the button-up Hawaiian shirts that have knit parts at the bottom. I'm interested in the denim. The blazers are really cool from the season. You know, the tailoring and stuff. It's got all this distressing and all these little like metal details and stuff on it. They're cool, but again, all about that price. We'll have to see. But happy to say that this is my first piece from the Spring/Summer 2021 season. I would like it in black as well. There's a black version with blue roses and I think it's white barbed wire, if I'm remembering correctly. But yeah, if there's like a day where it's not super cold, but not super warm either, I think this is a really good like middle ground just because the material, it's like, well, I've mentioned it quite a few times. It's quite thin. It's not overly thick. So I think it'll just keep me warm on those like mid-teens days, like a 15 degrees day or something like that. It'd be a nice little piece to chuck on. But yeah, would love to hear your thoughts and opinions either on the Spring/Summer 2021 season or this piece in general. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions on the season or the piece down in that comment section below. And of course, if you guys want me to keep picking up from Forward, or you want me to keep unboxing pieces that I pick up, you got to give me the 3 indicators I'm always asking you for, which is a like on this video, a comment in that comment section down below, and the best indicator of them all, a subscribe to the channel. Now, we're also trying to aim for a new subscriber milestone this month, in the month of May, of 3,345 subscribers. We're really, really close, guys. Hopefully, you know, if you tell 2 mates, they tell 2 mates, etc., etc., hopefully we'll be able to hit that milestone before the end of the month. But that is it all unboxed, guys. I'm going to keep my eyes on Forward because they do have some of the latest season's pieces and they are going for very, very good prices. It's just, yeah, even the latest Spring-Summer 2022 season, I'm kind of like, yeah, there's some pieces I wouldn't mind, but I wouldn't mind them at a good price. Maybe I just don't like Undercover's Spring-Summer seasons. Maybe that's just the realization. Actually, no. No, but there is some Spring-Summer seasons that I do like. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just the 2020s Spring-Summer seasons that I'm kind of like a miss on, but the winter ones, the fall winter ones, I'm like, ooh, nice. I don't know. Well, I'll keep an eye on Forward. I'll keep an eye out for more Spring-Summer pieces. I'm sure there's some stuff out there that I'd like, but we'll just have to see. If it comes along, it comes along. But yeah, until the next Undercover video, guys, until the next Streetwear Talk video, until the next unboxing video, I'll catch you later.